Hello my dear students. Today I will be taking your English grammar class of class 2. Okay. And today I will be taking the chapter number 6, one and more than one. Okay. So all of you open page number 11 of your book. First understand the chapter. So one car. In these pictures we can see there is one car, and when there is more than one, like in this picture we can see two cars. Okay, two cars. We have to add s at the end of the word to make it more than one. Okay, like here, see, one boat and more than one, four boats. So we have to add s at the end of the word to make it more than one. Okay, now come to this part. These parts are also same, like one desk and three desks. S I have added. One candle and six candles. Okay, so s have to add. We have to add s to make it more than one. And sometimes we need to add es at the end of the words to make it more than one. See here, one bus, two buses, B-U-S-E-S, buses. So here we have to add es at the end of the word to make it more than one. One bench, two benches, es we have added. One fox, three foxes, F-O-X-E-S, foxes, like this. One glass, three glasses, G-L-A-S-S-E-S, glasses. One brush, four brushes. One mango, five mangoes, M-A-N-G-O-E-S. So, we need to add S and ES to make the words plural. Okay, let's do some exercise. Now come to page number 12. Now come to page number 12 and you can see the exercises there. Okay, let's see. C number. Add S or ES to make them many. So let's do this. First word is wall. So W-A-L-L-S. We have to add S to make it many. Second word is bush. And the many will be bushes. B-U-S-H-E-S. Bushes. Third is tomato. Tomatoes. T-O-M-A-T-O-E-S. Tomatoes. Fourth one is monkey. Monkeys. M-O-N-K-E-Y-S. Monkeys. Fifth one is watch. Watches. W-A-T-C-H-E-S. Watches. Sixth one is kite. Kites. K-I-T-E-S. Kites. Seventh one is class, and that will be classes. C-L-A-S-S-E-S. Classes. Eighth one is nurse, and that will be nurses. N-U-R-S-E-S. Okay. Ninth one is fox. That will be foxes. F-O-X-E-S. Foxes. And the 10th number is branch. That will be branches. B-R-A-N-C-H-E-S. Okay. So, I have done up to this. All of you practice well at your home and study well at your home and be safe.